Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? Uh, I went and did a quick trip to Walmart. My mother-in-law had to go to Walmart, so I took her and I picked up some things to fill in the gaps. I picked up 12 cans of chili. I picked up C and D batteries. I got some seasoning for pork chops and chicken. I got a couple things of different kinds of candies. Some more seasoning packets like taco mix, taco seasoning. I got Sean his favorite pretzels, that type of thing. I picked up more of these, the Jiffy Baking mix. These I like because you can do biscuits, you can do waffles, you can do, even make cookies with these. You could do anything you want with these. These are a really great find, okay? And they're just over $2 a box or something like that. So I picked up a few of these. I even picked up a few boxes of taco shells and these bowls to make taco salad out of. What else? Yes, baking powder. I picked up sugar. Also, I picked up extra lighting for outside. Now, you guys know that I love my motion detector lights, okay? But these are wireless. You don't have to wire them in. You don't have to do anything. Batteries. Either D batteries, C batteries. Okay, these are 20 bucks a piece at Walmart. You can also find them at Home Depot and Lowe's. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way for added security outside, especially for grid down situation, this is the way to go, okay? I picked up 3 of these, 3 extra. So now I will have 13 motion detector lights on my house. Now, the one thing that I really want to talk about, okay, is the fact that when we went to Walmart's, the shelves are getting bare in my area. Your area, obviously I have no clue, okay? But the area that I went to was with my mother-in-law. And she lives in an area that's more neighborhood-ish, okay? It's in Hernando County. Now, her Walmart there was, and I mean bare, okay? Like with the sugar, okay? You could only get these size, and there was maybe, I want to say, 2 dozen on the shelf, okay? She picked up 2, I picked up 2, all right? But these were the only sugars left. The baking aisle was just about bare, okay? Canning, the can aisle, with canned food, going bare. Pasta aisle, going bare. You were lucky if there was sporadic pasta sauce. I did not look in the meat section because that's not why I was there. So I can't report to you on that. But the snack section was still fairly well stocked, okay? No, I did not go down the paper goods aisle because going down that aisle it upsets me because people are still buying like everybody's got diarrhea. So I don't even look because I get too upset, So, but one thing I did notice is that Walmart's is not putting limits up yet. So let me know if you guys have limits, okay? Because we had this discussion the other day in a video that I did the other day. Some of you are saying, we still have limits since last year. Some of you are saying, no, there's no limits here. And some of you are saying, we're just now seeing limits. Okay, so let me know if you're seeing limits. Because there's no limits at this particular Walmart's. Also, something that I've noticed, gas. Gas prices are going up already. What is it? I don't know. You know, normally gas prices, they go up around hurricane season, not right now. I mean, literally they shot up about, I want to say, 20 cents overnight. So now is the time to top off your gas tank. If you've got any gas containers, get those filled. If you already have them filled, rotate them out. All right. If you can afford to go get maybe like 1 or 2 more gas containers, go get those filled up. Okay. Because I know in this area, gas prices are rising. I don't know about your area, but here they are rising. So let's just keep these things in mind. Okay. So, gas prices, let's make sure everything is good on that side with you guys, that your gas tanks are full. And if you have any gas containers, make sure those are full and ready to go. Also, like I said, food shortages, they are coming. And why are they coming? In my opinion, I could be wrong, but in my opinion, I feel that because of the promise that was made of if the mask mandate doesn't work, then we're going to have a nine-week lockdown. I think people listened this time, and I think people are getting ready for that doom and gloom. So I think that's why we are starting to see shelves being bare in the grocery store. Now, this was just at Walmart. So, and it's a Monday night, I don't know. Listen, I could be looking at this all wrong, but I don't think so. I think people are starting to prepare. I really do. Okay? So take it for what it is. Make your own opinion about it, but I'm just letting you know what I saw. All right? I will be doing another video, another security video, because a lot of yous are asking me about what kind of grid down security you can do. And I will show you what kind of grid down security we have done here. Because as you know, I uploaded a video, about the alarm system that we had installed. Well, there are some grid down things that you can do security-wise. I won't get into it right now. We will do that another day. But I will show you what Sean and I have done and are preparing to do. But we won't put a lot of these things in place. And that's only because, we do have pets and they do go outside. And I don't want anyone to get hurt. So, as for anything else, if you guys have any questions or concerns, know that I love you. And you guys can get me at any time, email or in the comments section. And I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. See you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive, and keep prepping. Bye.